10 seconds. Start 180, long 7 right, tightens 200. Start 180, long 7 right, tightens 200. Seven left, keep in over crest, 150. Seven left plus, tightens, 160. Flat small crest, 120. Flat small crest, keep right, 270. Fast small crest, and long 7 left plus. Fast 6 right and junction 50. Fast 5 right plus and junction 80. Long 7 right plus 70. Long 6 left 70. 7 right 50. 5 right tightens 4, care, past junction 50. 5 left and high, 5 right, tightens 4, 60, 4 left minus into short, 4 right plus 60, flat small crest 30 and 7 right 40, 7 left plus 100, another one, 7 left plus 70, and long 7 right, care, tightens 4, 300. Nice, 6 right minus, opens 350 at the end. Long 6 left, tightens, and 7 right, 140. 7 right, 6 left and 7 right, tightens 140. Ahead, 7 right minus, cut 40. 7 left minus and 7 right, tightens 6, 120. Small crest, 120. 6 left plus, close 100. 7 left plus into 4 right, tightens 3 minus, don't cut. 50. 7 left and 5 right, 5 left and 5 right, 40. 7 left, 80. Long 5 left. 8 right, 200. 5 left, 30. 6 right plus. 5 left ahead at junction. 7 left minus. Long 7 right, tightens 6, open 7, 80. Long 6 left minus, care, tightens 5. So, small crest. You got it, you got it. Small crest 50, all good. Very long 7 right, 200. 7 long, 7 right, 100, and 3 right minus in junction 80. Flat 7 left, 200.
Sorry, gearbox.
You're right. 7 right minus. Very long 7 left plus. Through finish, 400. Nice, you recovered well.